Hi there, my name is Amrit Maldonado and I am with the Panther team here at Prolifics. Today I'm going to show you how to integrate Java with your existing Panther application. Now there are a couple of ways to integrate Java with Panther. You can either implement our built-in event handlers or embed your own Java class into your JPL. By default, Java support is enabled in Panther. You only have to be concerned with a couple environment variables. First being SM Java library. You have to make sure it's set to the correct location of your jvm.dll. And the second environment variable is called SM Java factory. Let's first talk about implementing your Java built-in event handlers. Now all screens, widgets, and service components have a Java tag property which identifies the Java class that will serve as the event handler. At runtime, this particular Java tag is passed to a function in the class specified by SM Java factory. This is chapter 21 of our Panther documentation, and I'll scroll down to a list of all the event handlers. There you go. The event handlers for your checkboxes, dynamic labels, grids, groups, list boxes, buttons, and so on. And these are the interface files, the adapter files. And for each event handler, notice these are all the methods that are available. For your screens, you've got your screen entry, exit, key, and so on. Let me go down to your push buttons. Right, for your buttons, you've got the button activate method, button entry, exit, and validate. Right, let me show you where my Java tag property is at. For every screen, expand identity and you'll see the Java tag property. For every field, same location, Java tag, and for every button, Java tag. In my example here, I am calling a Java tag class called test.class when I click on the button. And all it does is give me a message. I click on my button, it calls my class that gives me a message. It puts the actual string in this field. Now in order for Panther to find this Java class called test must be located in my class path of my environment. Let's take a look at the Java class. This is my test.java class, which extends the button handler adapter interface. It contains a method called button validate, and all button validate does is it calls the SM put field method, which puts a string hello Panther world into a field called my field. Now I'll show you how to embed your own Java class and call a Java method from your Panther screen. In my simple example, this dynamic label will be populated with the system date, and time. And this data will be received from a Java class. So I have a entry function for the screen, and in my JPL procedure, the first thing I have to do is initialize the Panther component system for Java. And this is the syntax for it. App current component system equals PV server Java. Next, I'll need to instantiate the Java class. The Java class I'm using is java.util.date. And here I'm actually calling a method of that class called as toString, and that will convert the output of the method into a string. And lastly, I will actually delete the object. So let me go ahead and test this out. I'm going to test mode. And it's basically called a method, the toString method that converts today's date into a string and displays it in my dynamic label. Pretty quick, pretty cool. Well, that's all I have today. If you have any questions on what you've seen today, please email us at support@prolifics.com. Thank you very much.